هذا هو التحليل المعماري حول احتضان الرقمنة هذا الأسبوع، حيث نغوص أبعد من العناوين لفحص الأنماط المعمارية التي تشكل التحول الرقمي. تركز هذه الحلقة على تحديات دمج الذكاء الاصطناعي في المجال التنظيمي، وكيف تسبب في توتر عبر الذكاء الاصطناعي والأمن السيبراني. أنا الدكتور دارين، دعونا نبدأ التحليل. AI integration brings urgent challenges that require proactive leadership in many sectors, especially education and cybersecurity. In education, institutions struggle with insufficient training for educators. This lack of training stalls initiatives. Cybersecurity teams often miss opportunities. They rely too much on automated AI, jeopardizing essential human oversight. Poor collaboration between educational institutions and tech organizations also limits innovation. For government officials, the stakes couldn't be higher. They need to ensure a balanced approach while addressing these integration gaps. Strengthening training and encouraging cross-sector partnerships are crucial. Today, we'll discuss actionable strategies that can drive transformation and prepare us for the future. A clear pattern emerges in how decisions fail under pressure. This week, many education institutions are focusing more on integrating AI into their curricula, but they're facing significant training gaps for educators. At the same time, cybersecurity protocols are evolving. This evolution puts traditional practices at risk because of an over-reliance on AI tools. For organizations, the result is a noticeable slowdown in implementing AI solutions. These integration challenges complicate compliance for leadership teams, making agile decision-making harder. This pattern highlights the urgent need for targeted training initiatives to optimize AI adoption. Many might think it's just about technology, but the evidence shows ineffective training hinders successful AI integration and overall performance. Collaborative efforts are key to overcoming these challenges. A lack of alignment in training approaches increases compliance barriers in both the education and tech sectors, stifling innovation. Stricter regulations in cybersecurity add another layer of complexity, especially for smaller organizations. Seamless communication is crucial. It ensures smoother operations. A disconnect can lead to misalignment that jeopardizes progress. Speed without effective training turns into missed opportunities. This is an organizational challenge. Governance shapes the essential structures and processes that guide strategic decisions. First, clear decision rights help ensure accountability in technology integration. This directly impacts how well a mission is executed. Second, we must establish compliance boundaries to navigate the changing regulatory landscape. This is especially true in sectors like cybersecurity and education. Non-compliance can damage an organization's reputation and its ability to operate, especially for smaller entities facing strict regulations. Next, an efficient operating rhythm promotes timely actions and alignment among stakeholders. It ensures everyone is working toward a shared goal. The gap between education and technology illustrates this point. Poor collaboration stifles innovation, which is vital for long-term success. This isn't just about capabilities, it's a problem of decision-making. By understanding how governance frameworks influence AI integration, leaders can adjust their strategic initiatives to tackle current challenges. In education, unclear guidelines hinder effective AI use. In cybersecurity, too much reliance on automated tools can overlook necessary human skills. Transforming organizational governance is key to unlocking the full potential of AI across different sectors. Organizational stress is clearly visible in AI decisions. Recently, educational institutions faced major challenges integrating AI into their curricula. Many educators lack sufficient training, leaving them unprepared to use these tools effectively. This not only compromises academic integrity, but also hinders performance improvements and student success. For your team, engaging educators effectively must be a top priority. You might see this as a simple tech issue, but it's really tied to critical decision-making processes. The organizational aspect is where this impacts the most, especially in terms of decision rights. Other areas feeling the pressure include compliance with educational standards and how well education aligns with technology sectors. Not providing enough training for educators creates a serious governance gap. While many teams focus on adopting new technology, the real challenge is in building effective educator engagement. If we don't address training, we risk missing out on enhanced learning through AI. This isn't just about capability limits, it reveals flaws in our decision-making frameworks. To stabilize the situation, it's crucial to define decision rights for training initiatives clearly. Assigning ownership clarifies responsibilities and helps build a stronger foundation for success. Organizational stress impacts cybersecurity decisions in noticeable ways. This week, reports show organizations are increasingly turning to AI agents for cybersecurity tasks. This shift is changing traditional security protocols and raising concerns about adaptability. In your environment, this can create gaps in security oversight and put your assets at risk. While it may seem like a technology issue, it stems from crucial failures in organizational decision-making. Ignoring this shift can lead to inconsistent compliance with security standards. This fragmentation increases vulnerability to cyber threats. The key areas under stress are organizational, strategic, and digital. Decisions about relying on security processes are being challenged. Many teams concentrate on deploying AI tools, but the real challenge is ensuring ongoing human involvement in monitoring these systems. Without a clear framework that balances AI usage with human oversight, your organization's security measures may falter against evolving threats. To stabilize the situation, it's essential to clarify decision rights around cybersecurity oversight. This ensures accountability for both human and AI resources. Organizational stress shows up in advanced communication strategies. Recently, we've seen a major shift. Organizations are adapting to next-gen mixer technologies. These technologies are essential for boosting efficiency and performance. If you ignore their integration, you risk being left behind. This can lead to communication delays and missed collaboration opportunities. It might seem like a simple tech issue, but it's actually an organizational decision-making failure affecting your overall strategy. The biggest pressure is on the organizational domain, with the process and digital domains also impacted. Outdated systems threaten connectivity and effectiveness. Many focus on quick tech upgrades, but the real challenge is aligning those upgrades with strategic goals. Without a proactive strategy, communication initiatives will struggle, hindering operational improvements. Establishing a clear operating rhythm for technology integration is vital. This clarity helps everyone understand timelines and processes for new communication technology. A recurring trade-off appears in many areas we explore. The balance between integration and oversight is crucial. In AI adoption, many organizations miss the importance of human oversight. This oversight gap often results in ineffective implementations. We see a lack of clear decision rights leading to fragmented ownership. Reports show this issue in education and cybersecurity strategies as well. Within your teams, this dynamic can stall initiatives and create compliance issues. Clear accountability structures are vital for effective integration of tools and processes. Aligning decision rights with operational goals builds a solid foundation for progress. Architects should focus on stabilizing decision rights for a cohesive approach. 3 choices stand out for leaders. First, leaders can centralize AI control or decentralize responsibility across departments. Centralization streamlines decision-making, but may stifle local innovation. This choice affects your team's agility in adapting AI solutions. Second, you can emphasize oversight training or prioritize technological implementation. Training enhances critical thinking, but may slow down the adoption of new tools. Finding the right balance here is crucial for maintaining educational integrity. Lastly, consider whether to adopt a fixed AI strategy or allow flexibility for departmental adaptations. A fixed strategy ensures uniformity, but can frustrate teams with diverse needs. This decision will directly influence buy-in across your organization. Organizations are facing real challenges with integration. Often this stems from unclear decision rights and oversight. As an architect, your focus must be on decision clarity and alignment. Look back at the education initiatives that stalled because of fragmented ownership. For your next steering meeting, make it a priority to clarify who is responsible for these decisions. Take a moment to consider how these insights can shape your future actions. ينتهي عمق هذا الأسبوع في الهندسة المعمارية هنا. إذا استمتعت بهذه الحلقة، يرجى إعطائنا 5 نجوم على منصتك المفضلة أو على يوتيوب. وإذا كنت ترغب في الذهاب إلى أبعد من ذلك، انضم إلى مجتمعنا على باتريون وابحث عن Embracing Digital. حتى المرة القادمة، أنا الدكتور دارن. استمر في طرح الأسئلة الصعبة، وكن دائماً مستعداً لاحتضان الثورة الرقمية.